Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. You know it, we start here with chapstick regardless of what time of day or night it is. If this is your first time here, thank you. If you've been here before, welcome. Today we have Ipsy, and I'm kind of laughing because y'all know I be clowning the subscription box stuff. The crazy troll nation is we do what we want to do on our channels and we have fun because makeup is supposed to be fun, right? Right. And troll because we're not. Here on this channel, it is about self-acceptance, this was in the envelope, and self-love, embracing our natural features, not being ashamed or feeling like we can't come on our channel, and this was in a box, and do a look or just do whatever without any face paint on. Embracing how you look, loving yourself for how you look, loving yourself for who you are. Because even though we like to enhance our features with face paint, try not to feel like you have to be acceptable. Love yourself. At the end of the day, all of that washes off. You still look like you. You're still you. And that's who you need to love. And so that's the concept. I hope it resonates with you. I just opened it. Let me see what the card says. I am so not professional with this is how much it costs per month, all of that. I subscribed for a year like a dumbass. I do curse on my channel sometimes. I'm sorry, I forgot. This is what else you'll see here. Yeah, I just be rolling. Yeah, the troll train just be rolling. So me like a dumbass subscribe annually, so I don't know how much it is, and I could look it up. So this is what the paper says. Stock up for summer, mark your cow, and clear your schedule because the season's biggest sale is coming to ipsy.com/shop. Save while you snag buzzy brands, restock your faves, or try something new. And the sale is from July 26th. No, it's not. From June 26th to July 5th. Red, white, and beauty sale. So it's the 4th of July sale. Don't miss your choice. Log in on June 20th to the 22nd to choose your products. And on the flip side, it has all of this stuff. I was trying to get the glare off. Show your colors. Summer is coming. Summer's hot. We know. We know summer's here and it's hot. 5 ingredients for a fruit-powered glow. Spot one in a formula. Here's what it's up to. That's what this is on the inside. So if you see papaya and it says what that's supposed to do, watermelon, that's what that's supposed to do, yada 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 yada. Get to know your glam bag picks, valued at $50. The bag is valued at $50. Yeah, see how I did that? My bag was not even zipped. Anyway, I'm guessing it's supposed to be a watermelon because it's a watermelon on the. I never really like these bags, but they come in handy for eclectic beauty. So we're going to pull stuff out of here. The first thing I pulled out of here, it is lip liner, Madame Michoud. I think, I'm not sure because it's in cursive, but it looks like MISCHO. I really wish Ipsy had an inventory sheet to tell you what the thing is, but they don't. Made in Germany. Oh yeah, distributed by Michoud. It might be Michoud, I don't know. Beauty LLC, Washington, D.C. So it's distributed in D.C., but it's made in Germany. I'm guessing Madame may be the color, and it looks to be a brown. I will try this, maybe not in this video because I'm already talking too long. We're almost at 5 minutes. This is Brow Atelier. Why do I feel illiterate? Groom and Sculpt Tinted Brow Gel, and the shade is in Truffle. I don't use brow gels. I just came in not too long ago from running around. This is how my brows look. I keep them trimmed, I keep them short, so there's nothing really to have to shape or keep them in place. This will pop up somewhere in somebody's box for something. The next thing, oh my gosh, Dew of the Gods Froze, I think Froze because of the thing over the E. Froze Mini Iced Rose Body Scrub. Blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. Sip and scrub. On here it says sip and scrub. So do you sip it and then scrub with it? This is confusing, just like the other thing that said pink drink, and it was a facial thing. So I'm like, don't drink it. Like some little kid will look at it and be like, oh, pink drink, and drink it, and then they end up in the hospital sick. So they need to work on their how they word stuff. Can we just take a minute to acknowledge how amazing Froze is? Rosé, wine, sugar, ice, plus cute, and pink question mark. Hello, question mark, genius. That's the vibe of our Blessed Frosé body scrub. A summer staple for optimal tan management. I'm already tan. Silky smooth and literally just fun in the shower. How to scrub me all over with whatever pressure feels right. Try me dry outside of the shower for a deeper exfoliation. Here's a hint. Ooh, we like hints. Our mini is a perfect exfoliating hand scrub. Sea salt, aqua, which is water, we know. Sodium stuff. Oh, awesome warning. This product is not, in capital letters, edible. Keep out of the reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. Discontinue use if skin irritation occurs. You know what? I'm gonna try this as a hand scrub. Not that I need it, just to see. And it does feel like it has little granules in it, so it does feel like it would exfoliate. But my skin is sensitive, not only my face, but my whole body, my skin. I've always dealt with skin issues since I was a kid. Outgrew any of it? No. They just got worse over the years. But I'm gonna try this on my hands just because I tried something out of Ipsy, and I will report back on how it was. All right, the next thing out in the box, Nomad. Iceland Fire and Ice, Gallows Lava. I do not have the Ice and Fire or Ice, I should know what it's called, but I don't have that palette. This is good for 12 months. This is exciting. I love Nomad's formula. It's so tiny, it's cute. Ouch. Ooh, ooh. This kind of looks like a color in, where is it real quick? Right here, in the Venice Simplin palette. No, it doesn't. I was gonna say it looks like this shade, but it doesn't. But they look like they would go nice together. This right here looks like it would be, if you put this on, that green matte. Where's that a shimmer? I think it's a metallic. I think if you lay this down and put this on top, I think it might look like this. And I think that's why I immediately thought of this shade here. This is a dual chrome, but it has a red base. But yeah, that'll be an experiment. We're gonna do that one day, just because y'all know, if you've been here before, I experiment on my channel and just be doing stuff. I'm excited to have this. I love Nomad's formula. One more thing in the bag. Yeah. This, whatever this is, Peach Sangria, Sophia plus Mabel Satin Powder Highlighter. Why am I thinking I got this before? This does look familiar. I don't know. I think I did try it and my skin didn't like it or something. So what we're going to do, I am going to put this on one eye. I'm going to prime my lid first with the Fenty eyeshadow primer. And we're going to go into the Venice Simplin palette. And we're going to put this on and top it with this just to see how they look. And we're going to put this on and we're going to put on the liner. I'm going to just really quickly, I'm going to edit all this out, except maybe the actual try on part. The MAC's powder foundation, because that's quick. So I'm going to do that. I'm not even going to put on concealer, and we'll see what's what. We have the powder foundation on, blending out the primer. I just realized I didn't do my brows. In Gallows Lava, Hourglass number 3 brush. This looks so familiar to me. It might be in one of the other Nomad palettes or something similar. I love Nomad's formula. I know I probably said that like for the 4th time in this video, but I really do. Easy, one and done. We're doing this to blend it up top. That's it. I'm going to take a clean one. I'm going to go into this green. I'm going to put that brush down. I'm going to take a clean one. We're going to go into that center shade. I'm going to see if you can see the reflect in it. So you see how it's like a red undertone to it? So we're going to tap that on top. I have not used this shade yet. This is my first time using it. Ooh. Did I call it or did I call it? It is chancy putting this on top of the previous shade because it could create fallout, and it did because I didn't put it directly on top of primer. Yo, almost. I'm going slow to see if you see any of the shifts. I'm looking at the mirror down here. This one does look deeper. This one over the green appears to have taken out the dual chrome aspect of it. But similar, right? This has a brown undertone. That shade. This is the one that came in Ipsy. But I like them both. Easy one and done, either one of these looks. Right though, did I call it or did I call it? We're going to take this brush. This is Sephora Pro Foundation number 47 brush, Angled Peach Sangria. We're going to put this on. Supposed to be a highlighter, but it can be used as a blush, as you can see. The shade is nice. It's a They're Not There. A nice flush of color, I think, from what I can see. Itchy. Oh my lord. I do like the color of this though. Listen. It don't take long, I'm telling you. Where I'm putting this is itchy. Don't you hate that for me? Because it's pretty. Y'all, the Troll's Life, y'all. We're going to take this brown liner. Yeah, I'm going to wash my face. I do think it's a brown. We're going to find out. Thumbs up for me actually unbagging and doing a try on in the same video. Because I know I never do that. Well, seldom. Have I done that before? This is a brown. It's looking purplish. So why did I just say it was brown? But maybe because of what I'm putting it on top of. My janky wings. Are they ever not janky? That's not janky. Now watch this one be janky. Sorry for any shadows from holding up this palette to use a mirror in here. I like this. It is gliding on. Oh, I went too high up. I put today's date over here. I believe it's the 10th of June. Yes, it is the 10th of June because it's someone's birthday today, and I've been seeing a lot of Instagram posts doing purple looks. Sad reality. I clicked on the hashtags and realized I had been blocked. And so that's sad. But, you know, that's life. You know, things happen and we may not want them to happen. But, you know, we're adults, so we can do what we want to do. But I did think it was sad. Because it's social media. And so, you know, when you support someone, you know, just appreciate it and not get in your feelings. The only people I block are dudes that be following me talking about God-fearing man, I'm single and available. I'm like, I'm not here for dating. So those people I do block. But anybody else? And also when I get messages for, you know, the SEO stuff, you know, that random stuff I do. But if there's anybody I've ever followed and I've supported, I don't block. Even if they unfollow me, I still don't block. Because we're adults. Like, whatever it is, we can work through it if it is an issue. I kind of actually like my wings. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. Because this will be one of the tests, too, whether or not this irritates my eyes. And I am going to put it on my inner rims as well. That'll be the ultimate test. I can't tell if this is purple or brown. I do have a lot of fallout here from tapping that second shade on top of that metallic. And that was to be expected. Because I did not put it on top of a primer. I put it on top of another shade. All right, inner rim. I think this is a burgundy. It's just something about how liner looks on the inner rim. A very subtle difference, but it is the difference, and I just love that look. If this doesn't give me problems, I may get more of these. I can figure out what color it is. So we're going to, so what color is that? Burgundy? I'm not good at describing colors, but to me it looks burgundy. And I don't think I have this shade. I have browns, purples, and all of that. I don't think I have this shade. I like this. My eyes feel okay. While we're here, just because this Nomad shadow. Ooh, this green matte. Uh-oh. This one here in the middle, we're going to put that down here. And so now you can see the reflect. We're going to take some more of this and we're going to put it over top of the green matte. I'm going to take a little bit more. So this is why it reminded me of that, but this is definitely deeper. Layering this does take away the dual chrome aspect of it, but they are both very pretty, and I think they would make a really nice monochromatic look. So that'll be it for this video. I was gonna say video. What the hell? Thank you for watching. Let me know about these products you received. Highlighter, Nomad shadow, sip and scrub but don't sip it, eyeliner, the brow gel. So thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't. If you have any of these items, let me know your thoughts on them, and let me know what you think of this try on. Thank you for watching. Hang tight. There'll be some videos coming up over here for you to check out, and you will see me soon.